Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can trade meme coins or how you can analyze meme coins. So by the end of this video you'll be able to know which meme coins should you buy and which meme coins should you stay away from it. Okay, so I've decided to make this video because this video is a video which you would definitely find in my premium course for crypto trading, but I do not want you guys end up losing money, and it's such an important video. So by the end of this video you will be a pro trader of meme coins, and for that we're going to make use of two websites which are easy to use and they are free to access. And the websites I'm talking about are, okay, one is dexscreener.com, the other one is RugCheck.xyz. Okay, and we're going to analyze two popular meme coins. The first one is official, okay, official Trump, and the next one which is trending is this new AI, the DeepSeek, something like this. Okay, they also have got a coin. Okay, I haven't yet researched more. I don't know if it's official or if it's a meme coin or not, but it's also trending. And by the end of this video, as I said, you'll be able to know which one is good based on my reasons that I myself actually follow. So I've already opened up these websites in the tabs. So let's start with, okay, the official Trump. Okay, so this is the official Trump. So when you visit this Dex screener, click on the search bar here and search for any meme coin or any coin you'd like to research. Then when you do that, head over to the right page. The first thing you want to do is visit the official page and then more about the coin itself, okay? And follow other pages, of course, such as the Twitter or the Telegram. So by doing so, you'll be able to get to, okay, receive some notifications, updates regarding the coin, and it will help you make better informed decisions. So this thing right here is where there is the important information. So as of today, 28th January 2025, one Trump coin is at 29, okay, dollars, somewhere there, okay, and the liquidity is 628 million. Okay, this is Trump, the official Trump. So I said we're going to look at two coins. The other one is DeepSeek. So I've already opened up DeepSeek. It's here. Okay. And you can see also here you can actually follow their Twitter and join their Telegram for updates. But here is the most important thing that you have to pay attention. I'm sure you've already noticed the difference. For example, here where it's written liquidity. Okay, we've got a log surrounded by a green circle. But what does this mean? Okay, let me go back to official Trump, you see. So on the liquidity, here you can see that there is no, okay, any padlock with a green circle. But what does this mean? So liquidity is simply the money the creators invest in a coin, which they put in a coin, okay, to have it being stable or continue running. But the reason why this one does not have a log and this one has got a log is because these guys, they have locked their liquidity. Well, so what it means that if they have locked their liquidity, there is no way they will sell all their not sell, exchange all their crypto and end up uh destroying the coin. It's not possible. But for these guys here, the official Trump, okay, at any time they decide, they could sell all the liquidity and the coin would crash at any time. So it's very dangerous and it's very risky, especially if you're going to invest in a lot of money, because you should expect that anything from nowhere can simply just crash. But remember, as the name says, meme coins should not be taken seriously. Okay, they're simply coins for fun. But yes, we've seen some people, okay, triple or double, more than triple, of course, their money, like in minutes, hours, and days. Okay, so it should be mainly for fun. And remember, always follow the rule. Don't borrow money for investing. Don't invest what you cannot afford to lose. So this is the most important thing that you need to look out for is the liquidity, if it's locked or not. Then now you can compare the buys. Okay. So now the other important thing, I'm going to now let's go back now to the second website, which is RugCheck.xyz. Is another important website. So we're going to search for Trump. No, I'm going to copy the contract address. So how do you find the contract address? Scroll down on the right side until you find uh the here where it's written Trump. This is a contract address. Copy it. Okay. When you copy it, go to RugCheck and paste it. Remember, the official trunk coin it's on Solana blockchain or network. Then simply click on check. But why are we using RugCheck? Well, here is the important thing. Okay. So as you can see here, it's saying that the official Trump, the risk analysis, it will show you the risk analysis. It's giving you danger, meaning that it's not safe like for you to buy. Okay, let's do so for DeepSync as well. Let's copy the contract address. I'm going to click on DeepSync, which is here. Copy it, and I'm going to paste it in RugCheck. Paste, and then click on search. Okay, and the risk analysis is good, but why is DeepSync good and why is official Trump? Why is there danger? Okay, well, let me explain that. So for that, all you need to do is scroll down. Okay, scroll down and go to where it's written top holders. Okay, then for top holders, you'll be able to see, okay, who of these people own the most or the amount of this coin. If the creator owns more than, don't know, 60 or 70%, it should be bad, because if that owner decides to sell all the crypto, it can actually crash the entire coin market for it. So as you can see here, okay, the top holders only own of about 7.75%, the top holders. So there's this one, Radium owns 3%, this address owns 1%, this address 1%, this address 1%, this address also owns 1%. But let's go to official trunk, we see. So when I scroll down on an official trunk, at the Trump, I mean, okay, uh, here. So top holders actually own 88% of the coin. So these top holders, if tomorrow they just wake up and say, no, let's just get our money, let's just sell this coin, yeah, the coin will definitely crash, because this is very risky, this is very dangerous, and we've seen coins crash because of the top holders, okay, owning a lot, such would affect the coin itself. So for example, this address here owns like 800 million, which is 80%. So one person here owns 80%. Nah, shouldn't be like that. One person owning 80%. Okay. Seconded by Binance 3. So Binance is a crypto exchange and owns only 4% of this coin. Okay. And it's totally like Binance, probably just people who have deposited this coin into the Binance. Okay. And we've got this address owns 1%, Binance 2 1%, and the creator owns 1%. But what about this address? Who is this? What's this address that owns 80%? Okay, so this is why it's showing that it's danger, because nah, because okay, so I can actually research. So this is a good thing about crypto, is that there's transparency. You'll be able to see any transactions for any address or contract. Everything is there for you to check. So I think I've talked too much. They may not offload a lot of information, but basically these two websites is all you need to analyze meme coins. Okay, they'll definitely help you make better decisions, and remember to follow their pages for updates. Okay, so as I said earlier on, this is content that you would actually find in my premium crypto trading course, but I've decided to give it away for free because it's something that can definitely help you guys there and prevent yourself from losing money. So in case you would like to take your crypto trading to another level or seriously, you can enroll in my crypto trading course. Okay, it's on my website, which is an e-learning platform. You'll be able to learn from anywhere at any time at your own speed. Okay, so for that, all you need to do is send me an email or WhatsApp me, and I'll definitely enroll you. Okay, and there above is my WhatsApp number, and this is my email address. Okay, yeah. So bye for now. If you guys learned something from this video, give it a like. If you've got questions about these websites or about coins themselves, feel free to comment, and I'll be happy to help. This is Keith.